In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. A very common problem in the society of Pakistan and maybe at many other places as well. This problem is that I am being discriminated against. I'm not being treated fairly. There is no level playing field where I am working or where I do go for the sake of time pass, for the sake of activities, for the sake of certain other hobbies. I'm not being treated fairly and there is no level playing field. That is a very, very common problem being faced by our society. And that is the reason maybe that we are unable to develop and to progress well. But that is not that aspect of the problem is is not the topic of today's discussion. Rather, the topic of today's discussion is that how should I survive? Despite all these difficulties which I am facing, how can I live honorably? Can I live honorably in a society like this one? This is the topic of today's discussion. Yes, the answer is that yes, you can. Of course, you can. Nobody on earth can deny it. Nobody on earth can stop it. If you yourself are determined to get the right place in the society, to live at least honorably in the society, you do need the support of only one person. You do need the approval of only one person. If your aim is to live honorably in a society, in an unjust society, in a society where there is no level playing field, in a society to survive and to live honorably in a society like this one, you do need the approval of only one person. And that one person is you yourself and no one else. Obviously, apart from Allah Rabbul Izzat, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, obviously we need Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala's support at every moment. But out of the humans, even if the whole of the society is against you, which is never going to occur obviously, as the whole of the society cannot be against you. Few of the people might be against you, that is quite understandable, but the whole of the society cannot be against you. Suppose for a minute that the whole of the society has gone against you. I believe that you, I, or anyone else can still live honorably here on this earth, provided we ourselves are totally committed with our cause, with our mission. If we are totally committed, totally convinced, totally confident, totally active, totally positive, no one on earth, no one on earth can defeat us if our objective is as legal, as justified as living with respect, living honorably in the society, as it is a fundamental right of each and every human being. We must keep in mind that it is a fundamental right of each and every human being, which cannot be denied. If some of the people are trying to deny it, they are fool. They are going to lose. Why? Because it is a law of nature. If we are our own best friend, not a foolish friend, not a foolish friend of ours. The trouble is that we are a foolish friend of ours, not a wise friend of ours. This is the biggest problem, and this is the biggest hurdle. Maybe this is the only hurdle worth mentioning. If we do succeed in removing this hurdle, and we are no more a foolish friend of ours, rather, we are a very wise friend of ours, let me assure you, let me assure you, let me assure you, we are going to be the victorious. Our victory is 100% assured. Our victory is 100% assured. No one can deny it. No one can deny it. Now, what are the details? Let's talk about the details. First of all, we must be totally positive, absolute positive. The role and the contribution and the share and the participation of this positivity is not any way lesser than the 50%. It could be more than that. All the other things combined, all the other things combined, all the other things combined cannot have more than 50% of the share, of the participation, of the contribution in making us a victorious, a successful, a happy, and an honorable human being. If the positivity is put on the one side of the scale and all the other contributory factors are put into the other side of the scale, let me tell you, the positivity is still heavier, although it is just one thing. So, for that reason, we must be positive and we must be absolutely positive, totally positive, completely positive, nothing but positive. If someone else is negative, if many of the people are negative, this is not an excuse that we should become negative as well. They are negative because they are foolish. A negative person can never be a happy person. If they are losing their happiness because of their negativity, can they be a wise or intelligent human being? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Because, like the positivity, the happiness is an achievement and the happiness is a success which is more than 50%. And all the other successes combined, all the other successes combined are definitely lesser than 50%. If the happiness is put on the one side of the scale and all the other successes are put on the other side of the scale, Still the happiness is a bigger success. Still the happiness is a more important success compared to all the other skills, all the other successes, sorry. So if the people are negative, this is no excuse that I should become negative as well. They are losing their happiness because of their negativity. I cannot afford to lose my happiness. I cannot afford to lose my happiness because I am my own best friend. I am not a foolish friend of mine. Rather, I am a very wise, very intelligent friend of mine. I cannot afford to be negative at all. So, first of all, I must be positive, 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 absolutely positive, totally positive, completely positive. Number one. Number two. I I need to step back, means I should reduce my availability. I'm not the one who is always available. I'm not the one. I am not the one. There is a law of power. There is a law of power. That law of power says use absence to increase respect and honor. What we do want? We want respect and honor. A law of power says use absence to increase respect and honor. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Yes. Reduce your availability. Now, once you have reduced your availability, you have more time and more energy. You do have. This time and energy should be utilized in learning the skills, increasing your relevant knowledge, increasing your relevant knowledge, and learn certain important necessary skills. Mean upgrade yourself in this manner, from this aspect. Upgrade yourself from this respect because you are more competent, because you are having more knowledge and more skills. This is just one aspect of increasing your competency. This is just one aspect of upgrading yourself. There are certain others which are going to be talked about very now. The next is to increase your financial resources. Try to increase your financial resources. If you say this is not possible, I am going to say this is absolutely wrong and this is foolish approach and this is negativity. It is absolutely positive. Simply, we need to become a bit creative. We need to employ the lateral thinking. We need to become a bit creative. We need to seek the opinion of the other people, other wise people in this respect. Then next, there are some of the people inside that circle, inside that activity, who do have a soft corner for you. They are not as much against you as the other people. They are somewhat lenient towards you. Try to find out, try to explore, try to pinpoint, separate them in your mind. Then develop your relationship with those people. Respect them, honor them. Once you do respect them and honor them, then there will be a group of people supporting you, or at least not working against you. Upon seeing that some of the people present there, some of the people around, if not present there, are having a good opinion towards you, they respect you, they love you. This will motivate certain other people as well to change their attitude towards you. to change the picture of you inside their mind and to paint it bright, to paint it well. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan, nothing is impossible, everything else is possible, and this is not a big goal. This is not a big goal at all. This is not as difficult as you might think. Why? Why am I saying this thing? And what is the proof? Let me disclose and let me share the proof. The proof is that you don't have to do all that in one day. You do have to do a small amount of work on daily basis. You have to do small amount of work on daily basis. And doing a small amount of work on daily basis, it is not difficult at all. Is it difficult? It is not difficult at all. One thing which I talked in the very beginning, that is so important, so important, so important, that it is all encompassing. That is, be positive, be positive, be positive. Be positive and be totally positive towards each and every human being, towards each and every person you are interacting with, towards each and every person you are in contact with. This will bring tremendous amount of change. You will not be you will not be even able to realize it. It might not be that much easy to understand it, but if you persistently remain positive towards each of the human being, let me tell you that it will revolutionize your life. Then last but not the least, migrate. There are several types of migrations. You might migrate while living inside your own city, inside your own country, by changing the company, by changing the people you sit with, by changing the city as well, by changing the country as well. Those who have migrated, they are quite good today. Most of them. It does take time. It does take time, but those who have migrated, they are very comfortable today. They have achieved a lot. And the people who did migrate, and the people who did migrate, the people who migrated and the people who did not migrate, there is a hell of difference between the two of these. There is a hell of difference between the two of these. But again, if at a new place your attitude is not positive, this means like a verse 2 verses of Urdu poetry, आदत सी बना ली है तुमने तो मुनीर अपनी, जिस शहर में भी रहना उकताए हुए रहना. Mean it has become your habit that wherever you are not satisfied. Wherever you are not positive. If this be the case, then even the migration cannot get the job done. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.